A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Good morning, everyone. To the President, respected teacher, and my dear friends. Today, the date of 5th September 2022, we all have gathered here to celebrate the celebration of Teacher Day. My name is Mahek Imran and I am a former student still today. I have to say to be here now speaking with all of you in Parivesh Bhavan, one of the greatest places in one of the greatest cities on earth, is more than a little humbling. Thank you. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to give a speech on the greatest occasion of Teacher Day. Teacher Day, which is celebrated every year on this day, the 5th September, to mark the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, was a legendary teacher, first Vice President of India and second President of India. This day is celebrated across the country by the students to thank their teacher for their incredible support and guidance. Needless to say that parents give birth to a child while the teacher plays a prominent role in making the child an ideal citizen by the way of education. Teachers really play an important role in the education of students, society and country. They developed our skills and build our career. The influence of teachers extends beyond the classroom well into the future. The true teachers are those who help us to think for ourselves. In this important moment, I want to mention a few true teachers' names who play important roles in my life. They are Mohim Mullik, my father, my first teacher, and Sannasi Khotal, Tarapada Parui, Chittaranjan Furkait, Anath Khoyal, Asim Sikdar, Sudeshna Ma'am, Piali Ma'am, Babul Hassan, Akbar Ali, Pobir Ranjan Khatua, Jagannath Das and many more. Thank you. Thank you, teacher. Thank you so much for supporting me and guide me. And thanks for bearing up with my bad and silly questions. I would never be a successful man without you. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day 2022.